Okay, so hi and welcome back with to my adventures of trying to make Ncurses work in the browser. Actually, I'm trying to make my Ncurses game engine to work in the browser. So let's recap what we were doing. I was trying to make the assets load to load. That's fine. Okay, I don't need this. Problem is that I'm sorry. That here, as you can see, the assets are not loading, and as you can see here, it's not loading the assets.mine.json file. So it's probably I'm sorry. It's probably because the fetch does not work when I open the plain HTML file. I have to probably let me see what function does it call when it tries to load that. Actually, I can just go and take a look at the code here, like. Well, okay. So I was thinking that probably what I want to do is just to fetch that file. But just to be sure, I believe I'm going to run this in a virtual machine. Like, I'm going to let's open my virtual machine. It's actually I have something in Tmux. No, nothing. Let's create a new Tmux section. I always forget how to create a new Tmux session. I have this memory issue. I have to look at the cheat sheet all the time because I don't know why I always forget how to Tmux cheat sheet. Otherwise, here to help me. Yeah, I need you to help me, please. So yeah, I want to basically go like Tmux new session A. Or just Tmux new session S my session. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough for me. Tmux new S session. Tmux new S like let's call this KBMs. Okay, so let's go back, let's go to here. Let's go to here and let's just start the server. We can detach now and yeah, kpm.1.local. Okay, so yes. Okay, so let's go like let's join into that server. If it allows me to join, because maybe the virtual machine still is loading. What I want to do basically is to try my WebAssembly application using a server and not directly opening the HTML file, because this is sensible KVM, but we are going to use it for other stuff. Oh wow. Okay, so do I have an index here? No. So let's just remove everything. Let's remove the backup also because this is all random stuff. And let's move all of these like Do I have everything here or not? I believe I have everything. Yes, I have everything. So let's send my index HTML file into my rows. The such file. Oh yes, sorry. Yes, let's also send basically my game.json file. Oh, and actually maybe I want to also send everything that ends with JavaScript from here. Yes, so now I want to modify my index. And if I go to my local host, it opens this template example. And yes, it does not open the assets.min.json because it does not exist. So yeah, we have something that's taken account. So let's go like rsync assets.min.json. And also let's sync the assets folder. I didn't like what happened. Everything that ends with a sprite into assets, and everything that ends with a color into assets. Oh, I'm so sorry, silly. I did copy, not move. Okay, so okay, fine. So now let's see what happens. Okay, the issue still persists. So I can be sure that it's not a problem of opening the WebAssembly application only as an what's the name for it? For what's oh, it's not going to work cause why? Cause why? This is interesting though. So maybe what I want to do, I want to try a fetch like from here. Actually, let's just do some research. Why I'm going to let's try with DuckDuckGo cause I don't like Google. Sorry Google, I don't like using you so much. So let me try to do some research here, like WebAssembly file read. So I want to check basically how the file manager here. So the fopen function index database. Oh, okay. Wait, mscript keep live. Okay, so what I want is an example using index db mscript fetch. Basically, I want this fetch API from mscript. Okay, fine. mscript fetch main. Okay, yes, this is probably what I want. Awesome. Yeah, I can do that probably, like fetch. Okay, but this is a good example and I can take a look at this. So I want to use the fetch scripted option here, like hi file manager. We are going to have some if dev scripted here and if, and probably I want two separate versions of this function, one for mscripted and one for non-mscripted. So if I use mscripted, I want to use let me try something right now though. Let's try something very silly but still interesting, and it's the no, I'm not trying to try anything at all. So yes, I include a string already. Okay, so yes, this should help me. I like to add an underscore at the start of a function when it's a local function in my C file. I know maybe it's not cool, but so what does it here? This fetch structure has a number of bytes and fetch URL, fetch status. So okay, fine. I like this. I totally like this. So yeah, I want probably this. Request method get. Okay, so yeah, everything's okay, and what I want to do is basically my pod here, my pod file. And I want to get the content of that, but okay, so what is what I want to do now? Because now I have some tricky stuff here, because if I do this, I cannot return the char here. I only will get the data from here now. Not sure I want to use this though. Maybe I want to persistent file to index. Proceeding data byte from memory. Synchronous fetches. Okay. Yes, this is probably what I want to do. Logs here on the yes, this is exactly what I want to do. Yeah, I want the fetch to be synchronous. Okay, so yeah, this is exactly what I need. Finally. So I don't care about succeeds or fail. So goodbye you. Let's increase this a bit more. Yes, here I get the script and fetch equals to this. Then I get status. Okay, great. If fetch status equals this means everything's fine, else everything is not fine. So this way I can go like, great, everything works. But how I get the content as a string from this fetch? Because yes, I want to script fetch close. And we want to close this fetch, obviously. And yes, I want here to be like, oh, and the data is available. That's what I wanted to know. F. Yes, I want. And let's just do some return like this. Good job. And this is just for testing purposes. Let's see if everything goes fine or if everything breaks apart. Okay, so what's the issue here right now? Undefined symbol mscript fetch. Undefined symbol. Okay. So why are those symbols undefined? Maybe because I also have to load mscript. Maybe it comes that. Yeah, it could totally be that. Yes, here you are. So, will this help or not? No, still it does not help. So, undefined symbol, unscripted fetch. Wait, I need the other thing. Yeah. Okay, so where is this issue from? This is quite interesting. Do I have to modify the compiler here to compile with? Maybe I am jumping from some stuff. Oh, so silly. Look at this. In order to use the fetch API, you need to compile your code with. Okay, this is the reason why you guys have to read things in order. Don't be like me. Read things in proper order. Otherwise, you will be like, oh, what's not working? Why is this not working? And then it was the first thing that was clarified in the documentation. I am like, oh, it's not working. Why? Why life is so unfair with me. Okay, so fine. So yes, now compile my fetch, please. Otherwise, I would be pissed. Yes, it seems to be compiling now. And oh yes, this is something I want to do though. Now is what? Oh, it's only I only modified the game JavaScript, so that's about it. Okay, assets loading, downloading null fail, HTTP failure status code. Okay, so what's the issue here then? File manager here. So fetch URL path What if here in path I said something like example dot text? Why still it's not working? Like, oh, okay. So okay, so let's go into the documentation. Fetch API and script then null your okay, yes. It just look Firefox stop responding when using the fetch API. Be sure to build with proxy to work. Huh? Okay, so now let's try this desperate thing, but I don't think I will have any. Okay, so let's try it now. Now it's literally not working. Quite interesting. I wonder if it's the worker though. I believe I'm going to just do the fetch with JavaScript that I know it works, and that should do it for me. Oh, why is it not working now? Okay, no, I believe I'm going to. I can try to fight the fetch API a bit more, but I wonder what will. I wonder if that will make sense at all. Like, why? I'm going to just do some fetch with native JavaScript, and that's just fine. Yeah, you come here. I will. Yes. Let's go with some fetch. Assets. JSON.mine. Then response no JSON. Okay, the response is oh, it was actually, it's not like that actually, it's assets dot JSON. Okay, look at this. State pending, state fulfilled. So the first then, basically, if I go like this, what happens then? I get the proper response that will be like this. Yes, my data, like the response is that data. Type basic URL redirected and data. Does this have another data like body? What is the data from this goes? No, it just has information about the response, and then I have information about the data. So let's ignore the first. Just okay, yes, I get the proper object here in the second then. So yeah, I can totally replace my function with this, and I can do some kind of async, like yeah, I can actually do some await like this. Okay, let's go in a simple fetch await simple sample. I prefer to freeze my C program and wait for the fetch to work. So blah 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 blah. Yeah, I can actually do that. Yeah, I'm totally okay with that. Let R equals await fetch assets dot main dot JSON. Well, actually, I can just go like okay. So I want this to be okay. I want this to be a sync. Test fetch. And go, let's try with assets name.json. Yeah, it's perfect. No, it's not what I want. It's not what I want. Okay, no. And where is the data from this code? The body, the shaders. No, this is the response. Okay, so let's call this fetch 2 then. No, this is not what I want. Wait. No, this is not what I want then. So let's try with something else. Like you can fetch with a sync wait. Because right now I giving me sync await. Okay, I have to wait 2 times. Okay, makes sense. Totally makes sense. So that equals await JSON, and then I should maybe I go like this then. Oh, but my goodness, I want to return the data here. So it's more. Ah, yeah. This is not my brightest day, it seems. Okay, now we are talking. This is exactly what I want. Yes. So I want this. I totally want this. I don't need to make any special function. I just want this and nothing more than this. So yeah, why not just check with something then? Async MScript. Can I get a string as a return value? I hope I can, cause that's exactly what I want. AM is pointer. Oh, okay. I am starting to like this. Both a pointer size return values can build in. Okay, let me see. Pointer. Return string to new int. Right. This is exactly what I want. This is exactly what I want. Thanks, documentation. Thanks a lot. This is what I am looking for. So let's forget about all this blah 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 stuff, and let's go like char. Char data equals to this, and then this. Yes, 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 yes. Finally making some sort of sense out of this. And here I only send the path. I have to take a look at this, because yes, here I send a buffer, and this is how you interpret the buffer basically. Playing around. Okay, I lost my internet connection, which is not cool. It's back again. And right now, I just want to use this function I was testing in my browser. Like, you come here. You come here with me. So the path equals to string argument 0. I can actually make use some await here, but it's okay. I wonder if I can use the await directly. Like, what happens if I go like let data equals to await fetch. Let's call it like assets.min.json, and all of these returns my value that also I want some await this .json, and then I go like console dot. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, I can do this. That's pretty nice to me. So I can simplify all this thing into a simple line of code, like await fetch this path, and then we just await all of this from into JSON, because this is a actually JSON stringly defined. Yeah, probably I want to go further and be like all of this to be like JSON dot stringify. I wonder if this is going to work out. It seems a bit hacky at this point. It seems a bit hacky, not gonna lie. Like, yes. And now I should go like console.log. Oh, no, you know. And I go console console.log data. Oh, the declaration of data. So let's call this data2. Data2. Nice, 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 nice. So yeah, this is what I want. So basically, I want space on the stringify. You like this. Up, 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 up. So what if I can combine? Wait a second, please. ¿Quieres comer ahorita una cosa? No, che, como comimos cada no sé qué comer, ahora sí no tengo. ¿Qué escuchas? ¿Quieres tortita o muy pesado? No, 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 ¿sí? Sí, ya. Sí. Sí. So I am totally back now. So I believe in the next 15 minutes I will be ending this stream because I have to eat something. I wonder if I can return a string asynchronically in ECMAScript and AM script and not ECMA. There is no ECMAScript. So I think let's see what happens here. No, AM script. It's including this code. If I cannot return a pointer, then I am in serious trouble. Okay, so yeah, this returns an int. All of that fine. But I want to return something more than int, so yes, this guy from here, I want to take a look at. Let's take a look at this source code of this in GitHub. So, how this macro works. Okay, so let me take a look at this. Eval. Oh, there is an example here of this. That's quite interesting. Let's say some from URL. Let's say some factor. Okay. The eval probably is one, but just async.c. Okay, so here I have some nice tests. Await new promise. Okay, I was going to try, I guess. That's everything I can do. Just give it a try and see if it works. And if it works, it works. And if not, it doesn't work, and that's okay. So yeah, basically you come here. Async pointer. Async JavaScript. Char. Get file text. Oh, parameters like function char path. You take path from here, so and data shading. Return, and I want to basically this I want. String to new. Yes, you. Define text. This is M script that exists, so that's about fine for me. Get file text, and I keyboard path. I don't need this one. Console. No. With F. Importing file. Data. So we are not using the fetch API anymore, so goodbye fetch. Zero here, and let's give it a try. Let's see what happens. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and that's okay. So what's the issue? String the new undefined. Oh, actually you here. Here, you're undefined. So let me check what you're undefined. Yeah, undefined. Okay. For contact methods. What if this was the way to properly compile? What if I did it well or not? Let me check. No, I did not did it well at all. I wonder what happens if I just go like this. Is this valid or not? string. Yeah, it's not defined. Okay, so module equals to string. Thing is that let me try something. String to why new though? Why new? Shouldn't that be enough? I guess. Or may not, who knows? No, I don't want to refresh you, but you. What is this string? Oh, yes, I know what it is. Okay, 0 is not defined. Oh, I know what to do. I already haven't done this before. I can use a buffer here. I can totally use a buffer here like this, so I know this is not elegant at all, but probably want to create a library for this. Nice. It's in the C. im scripting util. And we are going to go here, tag argument. Okay. Include util.text. If undefined and scripted if adds string and parameter constructor argument. And string argument. Okay, so this way I can basically alter parameters and stack argument 0. Add string mx scripting parameter add. Okay, so with this, okay, now it's all working. Okay, fine. Undeclare stack argument. In which line though? Oh, I'm so silly, so silly. I have to check something very important right now, and it's that you should not be loaded unless. Oh, but I have to include, of course, the WebAssembly, the mscript, and functions to make this work. Can to undeclare function int and parameters. Oh, yes, because you also have to include the what this includes, basically this. Now I can MCC should be working. It seems to be working. Now let's move this WebAssembly to the server. It's missing the third parameter that specifies the length of the buffer. String to f8. Oversize length bytes. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. This is very interesting. Not gonna lie. This is pretty interesting, and this is probably what I want. Data. Let buffer size, let buffer. Okay, now start makes more. Okay, it starts to make some sort of sense now. Oh my god, that is... My computer is going to shut down, what quite interesting. Missing the steer argument. Oh, I'm sorry. Have to compile. I have to send this here and then I have to refresh this. Look at this beautiful thing. Look at this beautiful thing. I was able to do this. Okay, fine. I'm happy with this. This is enough good progress for me. So I believe that I am happy with this. What I achieved here. This is the asset parser file. That's fine. This is the main file. That's fine. This is the file manager. Fine. This is the JSON. That's fine. This is web courses. Yeah, I'm fine with all of this. Make file. Oh yes, I totally want to make my make file. Creating it like library, let's call it. Then maybe file manager. Let's use JavaScript.